Hey guys, so Matt just called me and told me he made a little bit of a big purchase, and if what he's describing is pretty true, this thing's gonna be gnarly. But let's get inside the shop and see what exactly he did. Hope you guys are ready for this one. What did you do, Matt?
You like
oh
it?
My God.
Everybody loves a taco. Everybody loves a taco.
Oh, that thing is gnarly. Now, he was explaining a little bit of this to me on the phone. And if it all is what he's saying it is,
Dude, it's the perfect build.
this thing's gonna be nasty. So, this thing is super clean, super straight. Is this a fresh paint job?
It is. They stripped it all down to get the truck perfect, to fabricate kind of rear end and parts and stuff, and it wanted to be like a drag drift truck.
So this was someone else's project?
Yeah, the guy was out of Minnesota and he wanted to do the whole truck. He had it for years and years and wanted to do every little bit of the truck perfect. So he started a business and had to get rid of it, and I couldn't resist. I mean,
Dude, this thing's gonna be like, oh, what, a 3,100 pounds, maybe, if that.
it is light. Like, you'll see when we go to move it
Oh,
around.
guys, I don't know if you can see that.
It's got some secrets. It's got some goodies on it. I mean,
Now, I don't want to pop the hood just yet. I think we need to get it up in the air to fully show the extent of this thing. But
I'm thinking a 2J would be perfect for this, right? Like,
listen to him. Does any of you know what that is? All right, let's cut right here and let's get this thing up in the air. We'll be right back, guys. All right. Oh my God.
right?
Here, get that prop on there. The hood prop, it's right here. All right, so this thing has been fully gutted down for a full repaint. The motor looks like it was taken out during the paint job, and they cleaned everything up. They took every single last nut and bolt off of this.
You know, like 2Js are going for $20 bajillion now, so you know, I couldn't turn it down. It was already in the truck.
And for those of you who don't know, this is a 2JZ VVTi. We know that because of the variable valve timing sensor and the cam gear. But down here, we know it's a 2J. Yeah, so on the side of the block, there is a little identification plate. Now, that doesn't mean that this is a non-turbo or turbo block. They both have the same thing. They both are basically the same block. The difference is oil squirters, but we'll get in that a little bit later when we tear into this thing.
I did good, right?
Dude, you did fantastic. And from what I'm seeing, I see 2 master cylinders here.
Yep.
So that means that
T56, baby.
I was about to say, this truck has a manual.
Yeah, let me get it up so you can see what's underneath.
Yeah, let's get it up. Let's look at this
The
thing.
goodies don't stop.
So this is a front sump engine, which means that it is out of an Aristo or IS. Not out of a Supra, but they're all the same. The oil pan's just the difference. If it is a JDM motor, that means it has different cams than a US, but being a VVTi, most likely it is a JDM. Nobody probably swapped it out or anything on it. Oh my God, guys. So they have some really beefy engine mounts. Probably poly. Yeah, I can see that in there.
Come down this way. T56
Oh, geez.
is already here.
Has a Granus Racing T56 bell housing on it, which is SFI approved.
Big question is there a clutch?
Let's see. See a flywheel? Nope, it has an auto flywheel on it. No clutch or pressure plate. So this is what they consider a F-body T56 with a poly mount. That is a beefy trans mount.
It's already cut too for the shifter. Look at that, perfect.
So this guy did all of this and then just off this car. Huh. Front disc brakes.
Come check out the masterpiece.
Oh, dude.
Ford 9-inch 4-link.
Now, if any of you don't know, this is not a stock setup. This is probably close to 50 or 60 hours worth of fab work for this drive shaft tube. Custom 9-inch, all strengthened. QA1 coilovers, not a bad choice. Everything is fully adjustable.
And the whole rear frame's been boxed in. Look at this. All down the rails. This is normally a weak C channel.
Dude, I think you got a winner here. So, what exactly are we gonna do with this thing?
I think it's a perfect build. I would say, let's go 750 horsepower. Good,
That's doable.
good street truck with the ability to turn it up and go on the track.
So, if you guys don't already know, all we do is build 2Js. And 750 horsepower, we don't need to build the motor for that.
No, stock long block with the T56. I bet this runs 9s at the track pretty easy.
That is well within factory capabilities on a short block. Look at that diff. You know if it has LSD?
Yeah. I think it's the True Track.
So it probably has an Eaton True Track. We're gonna have to
Right.
crack it open and see.
There was paperwork with it, so
Oh, really?
I got a whole bunch of goodies. The entire truck bed was full of parts. So I've got brand new headlights, bumpers, taillights, wiring harnesses. I got everything for us.
Huh. This is chromoly, but chromoly is a steel, so it does rust.
Yeah, I figured we got to powder coat it.
Yeah, we're gonna have to tear this whole thing apart, but that's where
That's part of the fun.
this channel comes into play.
So better news, I ordered a turbo manifold and a 6766, and I've got an ECU EMU black already on the way.
Huh. So on a 67, you said?
Yeah.
So that 750 horsepower on that turbo is barely
easy.
even scratching the surface. So that
900
turbo should be
horsepower.
good. Yeah, we could turn it up to 9. We probably won't. We'll probably stay well within the safety zone of the factory 2J. But
Yeah.
guys, this thing is something else. I cannot wait to tear into this thing. All right, I think we're gonna have to pull the motor on this, tear into it, see what everything is, see what we want to order. He's got the vast majority of the missing parts either here or on the way already. Man, these guys spent a lot of money in this just to let it go. All right, we'll be back, guys.
So now you know our first big project. Let us know what you think of the Tacoma and what part of the build process you'd like to see the most. And with that underway, we will be announcing our first giveaway vehicle very soon. I know several of you have been asking. We're super close. We just have a few things left to do. So make sure to like and subscribe and don't miss the reveal.